Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today we are going to start learning about different kinds of animals so that you can do a research project this week. You will get to choose your own animal and something like from the jungle or the desert or something that just doesn't live in your home. No pets, but even can be animals you see in the zoo because they usually live in exotic places or places we can't get to. So you're going to pick your favorite animal, and then I have included some links in here, some search engines to search for your favorite animal. Kittle is one that I like a lot because all you have to do is type in, let's see, horned owl. I don't know if that's my favorite, but that's just one I came up with. And here you see that it has all these different things and pictures about owls. And you're going to be putting your information you get into a presentation, either in a slide or an infographic. Um, so this one gives you a little overview and describes how they look with its long ear-like tufts, intimidating yellow-eyed stare, and deep hooting voice. The great horned owl is the quintessential owl of, and then I'd have to read the rest of it once I went into it. But you're going to get lots of facts on Kittle. And then this is my other favorite one because this one is just based on animals. So you can pick any kind of animal from here except pets. We're not doing pets. We can do that at another point. Let's see. Birds. Birds is what I want. And they're going to tell me about a Canadian goose there, but I want horned owl. And it brings me to a place with a bunch of different websites to go to that are safe. And you can get a lot of information about your topic there. Okay. You are only going to be making like one or two slides out of it, depending on how much you get. You're going to want to include some pictures. You're going to want to give at least 3 facts that you learn about how the animal lives, either on their own or if they live in a pack. Thinking of the different ways of saying family with the different kinds of animals. Trying to think what else there is on there that you could use. Um, so some of it might be like when you're talking about a group of giraffes, it's a tower of giraffes. If you're talking about otters, it's a raft of otters. And then there's pod of whales and leap of leopards and a cast of hawks. So those are some of the words that you'll find when you go through reading for your research. Okay, so you choose your favorite animal. Um, how does it benefit of living in a group or alone? Then you're going to write the collective noun, describe 3 ways their animal benefits from form living in a group, attach a map of the animal's range, attach a picture of the animal, and and list 3 fun facts about their animal. You will then give 2 days. You're going to be given 2 days to research and 1 day to make your presentation in Google Slide or create an infographic on the computer. So um, you have today, you have tomorrow, you have Wednesday to finish up your research so that you come in ready to work on your final project at the very end. Make sure you let me know what animal you're doing, just so that I can make sure I know what to expect coming in. So there is a rubric. Oh, there were 2 other search engines. There's Kidsrex and DuckDuckGo. You just type the words in and you'll get information from there too. But these 2 just kind of really hone in on the facts. Let's see. There is a rubric for this, what I was saying. which a rubric for you is how I grade something. So if you meet all of the criteria, you will get 15 points out of 15 points possible. Okay. So level 3 is what we're striving for. Okay. Um, so if you can present your information in a logical, interesting, sequential fashion with an audience, the way an audience can follow you, you would get 3 points. If your audience has some difficulty following your presentation because you jump all around and with your words, you go from eating to habitat to family back to eating and things like that, then you'll get a 2. And if the audience can't understand your presentation because there's really no sequential information, then you would get a 1. So make sure you read over this. You don't have to do anything with this form. This is just to guide you. If you want all 3s and you want an A on this project, you will work for those 3s. I changed this one down here in the bottom for visual aids. It originally had 2 visual aids in this section, but I want you to have just one, which is either going to be your slides or infographic, okay? So if there's any questions, feel free to see me, and we'll be working on this the next couple days in class and out of class. So that is it. Talk to you later.